I welcome everyone to learn SQL Server with Shahid YouTube channel. This is my new channel. Uh, my name is Mohammed Shahid and I am going to try new and I am a new SQL DBA trainer and I'm going to cover every aspect from scratch to expertise level as same as real-time environment. This course is designed in such a way even beginners and also experienced person can learn through this channel. In this course curriculum, we will be learning level 1, level 2, level 3 are divided into three parts and we will be learning introduction, installation, database, how to create databases, and how to play with the databases. Everything I will uh, be doing with lab and uninstall installation, security, backup, also the Azure technologies in cloud backups and restore corruptions, handling automation, PowerShell. In level 2, we are going to cover cloud introduction, Active Directory, lock shipping, HADR. These are the reliability techniques and also the disaster recovery technique. Uh, like lock shipping, mirroring, clustering, all is on availability, replication. In level 3, I'm going to cover SQL on Linux, upgradation, migration, architecture, indexes, logs, blocks, deadlocks, and also we'll be giving training on real-time scenarios and also ITIL live training. What we do like in ticketing tool, service now, VMC remedy, like I will be showing the service now, how to like work in the environment. And also I'm going to cover new features from SQL Server 2005 to 2025. Uh, yeah, like in future, we are going to handle real-time databases used by applications across the world. Before going to, we talk some history about the SQL Server and before going, we will talk about the legacy version, the 2005 to 2025. Before that, also 2005 also there was versions from 1.0 that is from 1989. We'll talk about that because of some knowledge how the SQL Server evolved. We'll be coming to know everything that. Yeah, Microsoft, like as a company, how it is evolved. Microsoft is having strong business presence in Windows, Bing, Xbox, and also Microsoft Office like Outlook, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and all. Also, including that, we have database technologies. Windows, everyone might be knowing, like I have this local laptop using that is the Windows, and there will be servers where we will be connecting through Odyssey and using that. And Bing is same like Google Chrome, not that famous as Google, but there was a product, and Xbox is for gaming. Same like that, we have a database SQL Server as well. Yeah, we have talked about this course curriculum level 1, level 2. And this we can take the snapshot of the whatever the courses I'm going to cover from scratch, like zero to hero, I can say. I will guarantee you, you will not be bored, and also will be assuring that I will be training in such a good way can and everyone can understand better. Yeah, Microsoft, one thing I want to know, like Microsoft was not originally a database focused technology. IBM and Microsoft has a collab. IBM used OS2 and with Microsoft collab. And this IBM, what they did is they solved OS2 operating system by collabing with Microsoft. And what they did, they solved free database product with OS2. So this Microsoft came to know about that, and they filed a company. There is a history about that. You can go through internet and can explore if anyone wants. Like Microsoft was not originally database focused technology. Because of this, they separated from IBM and like collab with Sybase to improve. Has they take it as challenge and improved with the support of Sybase. Yeah, we have competitors in the market for SQL Server database technologies. IBM has DB2, Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Sybase, SAP HANA, and we have big data platform. Despite these companies, like Microsoft ranked number one in the competition with enterprise databases. We have three edition. We'll be covering that. Yeah. What is SQL Server? First of all, Microsoft SQL Server is a database product. We will. Everyone knows as RDBMS system, like relational database management system, you can say, and it is developed by Microsoft. It is the technology to store the data and retrieve the data, manage large volumes of information, and supports application running on the same machines or different machines or across the internet through the network, where application can connect and access the data and retrieve the data. Like this is the client architecture where we can connect through our local laptop to RDP, and from RDP we can connect to the instance with the help of SSMS, and a database in that we will be having the data stored in the form of tables. We can retrieve the data from there. We can play with the data. We can create the database. I will show you later on classes. There is a long journey from 2005 to 2025. We'll cover a lot of things, and there are like installation configuring, lot of things to go. We have a SQL Server architecture. I will be covering this thing in level 3, where we have protocol, relational, and storage. How this work, this architecture and all, I will be showing you guys. And we have versions of SQL Server. SQL Server, as I said, like 2005, the benchmark version, because they have some enhancement like the security and like yeah, they have a lot of things enhanced in 2005, and we can say the benchmark version. Microsoft continuously improves from 2005 to till now date 2025, and we have versions like 1.0, 1.1, 1.4, 4.2a, and we have release name and with code name Philippi 1990 equals server 1.1 with Retro 92 SQL Server 44.2a, 4.2b, 1995 for SQL Server 6.0. This and all the code name. This is for internal Microsoft purpose. What we have, and as I said, we'll be most focusing on 2005. From here, we have to note down whatever the version 9.0, 10.0, and like 11, 2, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9.0 means 2005. and 10.0 means 2.8, and 10.5 means 2008 R2. This is the re-release version of 2008. I'm going to cover with installations this 2005, 2008 R2, 2012, 2014, 2016, 2017, till 2019, 2022, and 2025. Every installation I will be covering in this course curriculum. Okay, why is SQL Server 2005 is important? As I said, like security query optimization and management tools made better at that time. And also SQL Server came into existence and stand very strong at that time. So the that is this we can say as a benchmark version in 2005. Components of SQL Server. SQL Server has four main components. First is database services, SSDS, analysis services, integration services, and reporting services. Mainly this analysis services, integration, reporting comes under BI, like business intelligence. We will not be going to cover. We will be morely focusing database services because there is a hell lots of things to cover in this database services in our coming upcoming classes. This database services stores data like in the form of transactions and like manipulating transactions, insert, update, and delete. We have core engine to connect to the database through the instance, and we will store and manage and manipulate the data. We'll handle the transactions, everything, whatever the developer pulls the data, will be handling that thing. And also, there is a lot of things to come, like creation of databases. I will be covering that aspect. And yeah, we'll be covering only the database services. Analysis services use it to analyze data. We can say as the historical data or archival data, where we can store the old data, like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. For example, if you go to bank, we can't pull more than 5 year data. Here, analysis will be storing the data to analyze what is the uh, business before 10 years, like that. So they store the data in the form of analysis services, and they form the data in the form of cubes like structures. This is different structures compared to the database services. To use it for analysis purpose only, and we'll say as online analytical processing. It helps for business purpose and to make the decisions, and also next is the integration services. Integration services means like we will take data from, for example, database services, database engine, or and also analysis services. We will take from other source, and we'll take the data and integrate integrate the data, integrate the data, and for example, we'll take data from somewhere, and also it will take data from other source, and we'll collab. The name itself says that ETL, extract, bringing data from another source, transforming and loading the data. This is the thing they does, and it makes the big business makers decisions better. And we have competitors like the data stage, micro strategy. This SSIS, SSAS, SSRS comes under same Microsoft, but competitors for analysis services is SAP Oracle. Same like that, competitor for integration services is data storage, MicroStrategy, Informatica, SSRS, whatever the uh, like data they have took, they will generate a dashboards and make a very good graphical representation where where they can make the uh, business decisions. And for this, competitors are Crystal Report, Tableau, Power BI, Click. Power BI is ours only. SSR, after SSRS, Power BI. This is Microsoft Power BI. They are using to generate the dashboard. Yeah, apart from this, we will be covering history of databases. Coming on, I will show you how to install SQL Server from 2005 to till 2025. I will be covering that installation, what and all the changes they have made, what and all the features they have added, what and all the enhancements they have made. I will be covering everything. In this course, we will be covering Azure, like how to create VMs, build VMs, and load balancers. We'll be covering always on edge and also how to take cloud database backups, containers, and also I will be showing the enhanced features of the SQL Server versions. And all. Yeah, yeah, this is all for today's class. And thank you everyone. We'll see in the next video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe to this video, and support me, guys. Thank you everyone. Bye.